A very warm and pleasant morning to everyone. I am Arvi from BCA Batch 1, Semester 3rd. So I am going to deal with the topic life cycle of an applet. So first of all, thanks to Rajesh sir who giving me this opportunity to represent. So applet is a small program that runs within a web browser or any application. It is embedded in the web page. It has limited access to system resource for security reason. It is used to build games, animation, etc. Applet is used to make the website dynamic and more attractive. So let's see the life cycle of an applet. So there are 5 methods. The first is end, second one is start, third is paint method, fourth is stop, and the fifth last one is destroy method. So this is the diagram which is shown here. So now let's see each methods one by one. So the first one is init method. So here initialization begins. Applet is loading here and loading here like creating buttons, loading images and all. So the second one is start method. Here applet start running, and whenever we reopen the page, then start method will call. The third one is paint method. Here applet draw things on the screen and like displaying images, animations, graphics, etc. And paint method always contains one parameter related to graphics. The fourth one is stop method is used for pause, temporarily pause the website. And the fifth is destroy method. It is called when the website is completely shut down. So that's all from my side. Thank you. If you have any questions, then ask.
Ask the questions.
Now, I think nobody is having question, so I'll be asking question to the batch. So, what is the parameter of the paint method? What is the parameter of the paint method?
Graphics.
Graphics. And this graphics class belongs to which package?
AWT package.
Can you name few method of graphics class?
Draw string.
Draw string.
Draw image.
Draw image.
Draw rect. Draw oval.
Okay.
And circle also. Draw circle.
Draw circle. How can you fill the circle?
So we use object G, graphic object G dot fill circle and color within bracket.
Okay, I'm going to make your question simpler. If you wanted to fill the rectangle, so what would be the function method?
So we directly write G dot fill rect.
Fill rect.
Yes.
What are the parameters?
It's
Anybody can discuss with the parameters?
Anyone can discuss with the parameters of the fill rect? Yeah.
For creating and filling the rectangle with defined color, first of all we set color with the proper which color we want, and define another method of the graphics class g.fillRect, and inside this we first write the x coordinate where the rectangle starts, the y coordinate, and height and width of the rectangle.
And how can we run the applet using the applet viewer? What is the code for that?
For running the applet
in a applet viewer.
For running the applet viewer program in applet viewer, we open the command line prompt and write applet viewer the file name .java.
So what we have to write in the HTML file?
in HTML file we have should add the applet tag. Inside that we use the dot class name which we have compiled the Java program. After compiling the Java program, the class name which we have created, we write that in applet class, and height and width of the dimension of the applet.
And height and width we are writing in which form?
Pixel form.
In the pixel form.
Anybody can speak about the parameter which we are passing to the applet? How we pass the parameter to the applet? Anyone? How we are passing the parameters? I hope we discussed in the class. What is a tag? At least you tell me the tags. So definitely, in order to pass a parameter, we are having a tag called param tag. Clear? And that param tag has minimum 2 parameters. The first is name attribute, which is the name of the parameter, and value attribute, which is going to contain the value of that particular parameter. And inside a program of applet, we are making use of which method? We are having a method called get parameter. So through the get parameter, we are retrieving the value of pass parameter, right? Anyway, it is a nice presentation. Thank you very much.